On our way to the weekend, and we've got all miles of smiles as far as weather is concerned because things are looking up and up, but we still have enough wind out there across the valley to make it feel very cold. Wind chills in the 20s below here in the FM area. Out at Hector, 22 below. That's thanks to winds at 21 miles per hour, gusting to 32. The thermometer says 0, but it feels colder than that. 24 below, that feels like index in Grand Forks right now. Your winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. They're out of the south, but even though they brought much warmer air today, like mentioned earlier, we're 18 degrees warmer here in the FM area than last night at this time. It certainly doesn't feel that way. These winds have been brutal all day long. Air temperatures are either side of 0. Once we get out towards Carrington here, though, we're seeing some teens and mid-teens at that. How about Minot sizzling at 21 degrees at this hour? That's warmer than our average highs this time of year. Here's a look at wind chills. We're between 20 and 25 below in most locations heading into the night. Did get a call but can't confirm. I just want to let folks know up north. I could not find a reason why, but there are some reports of some power outages up there near Warren and Oslo. And with temperatures and wind chills like this, that's definitely not fun. So hopefully that gets rebounded if there is indeed still a problem. Temperatures in the 30s in Atlanta, in Dallas, and in Kansas City. Single digits have made their way all the way into the Ohio River Valley. Look at Montreal right now, 17 below. Check this out, though. Factor in the winds, and the record-setting wind chill value is happening right now. You see it go down to 108. That's below 0, wind chill. That's up, of course, at Mount Washington. They get a lot of wind there, but 127 mile per hour gusts. That's, Stacy, going to require that you put rocks in your pockets to keep from blowing over. That's a lot of wind up there. For us, we have clearing skies. We have a few snow showers moving through Thunder Bay and the Arrowhead. The south wind will be persistent but gradually diminish. Check out temperatures rising. In our western counties, we'll notice it the most. 10 to 25 degrees to start your Saturday morning. In Minnesota, single digits, less wind, under 15 miles per hour for most locations, and some sunshine. Now, it's not going to be full sun, but it should be pretty pleasant out there through the midday hour, and we'll pause this in the early afternoon. Temperatures peaking in the 30s for most of eastern North Dakota, a few in northwest Minnesota, seeing some mid, maybe even some lower 20s as a result of a cool front, bringing a little bit more in the way of cloud cover your way. All in all of us will enjoy a warm up. And then as we go into the post-dinner hours, the cool front sags southward, bringing a chance for some snow. Light accumulations under an inch, most under ½ of an inch, but still some slippery road conditions. And this cool front will cause our temperatures to suffer a little bit of a Sunday setback. Here's your Saturday reading. So starting at 10, it looks like temperatures rise up to 32 gorgeous degrees. We'll have southwest winds at a very easy 10 to 15 miles per hour. That's only 2 pumps of hairspray. That's pretty good. Now, as we head into the late evening hours after the 3 o'clock hour, there'll be a chance of snow north. Cooler temperatures north, mild to south. There is a chance at a 40-degree reading along or near the South Dakota border with some sunshine in the forecast and a west breeze at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Larry Barksky says, wear red. Okay. He looks good in any color, Sherry. Thanks for sharing. But particularly on this day, red is the color for Larry. Thanks so much. All right, 24 as we set back. But look at this. In the evening hours, temperatures rise from Sunday night into your Monday morning. We start out near 30 degrees on Monday. We warm into the mid-30s, a chance for spits of precipitous precipitation of unknown varieties as we go through a milder day to start the week. That precipitation, by the way, looks very light. A little bit of a hitch and a giddy up on Tuesday. How about that big old M word, mild on Wednesday, 35 degrees and no pocket rocks necessary here, as winds should stay well under 127 miles per hour.
I want to keep them nearby. I mean, we're still in North